In today's tutorial I will show how to solve Instagram app stopped working or crashed. Now first thing to fix this problem, update the Instagram app to latest version. So go to Play Store or App Store. Search for Instagram. If update is available, update it. For me it's available, so I will update it. Check if the problem is solved. If not, the next solution is to go to phone settings. Go to apps. Next, search for Instagram and click on it. Click on storage. Clear data and cache, and remember this step will log out from your Instagram account. You have to log in again. Now go back. Go to permissions and enable all the permissions. Now open the Instagram app and log into your account. I hope some of these solutions that I showed you solved your problem.